Dussehra is a time of triumph and new beginnings. A time for you to take charge of your career and position yourself for the future. At Skill-Lync, we understand that every aspiring mechanical engineer has a dream to work in top companies and make a meaningful impact in the industry. That's why we have created a program that goes beyond just learning. It's designed to equip you with the skills that are in high demand for R&D and design roles across industries like automobile, aerospace and manufacturing. With 9+ hands-on projects, you will tackle real-world problems that mechanical engineers in top OEMs and Tier 1 companies solve every day. From design simulation to product development, these projects will build your expertise in almost 25 essential skills, giving you a solid foundation to work as a design engineer, R&D specialist, simulation engineer, and much more. But what sets our program apart is that it's built by industry experts with 10+ years of experience. You will not only learn the theory, but also gain practical insights and mentorship from professionals who have excelled in this field. And here's some exciting news. As part of our Dussehra celebration, we are offering a 50% discount on this program. But hurry, this offer is only available for the first 50 enrollments. This is your chance to take advantage of this exclusive opportunity to accelerate your career. With mock interviews, career counseling, and 5+ interview opportunities, we ensure you that you're not just prepared to learn, you're prepared to land the job of your dream in R&D or design or in analysis with top companies like Hyundai, Tata Motors and Renault Nissan and much more. This Dussehra, let's not just celebrate tradition, let's celebrate your career transformation. Join Skill-Lync today and take your first step towards an exciting and fulfilling career.